Welcome to the complete step-by-step guide for Goods and Services Tax, or GST, Registration for Businesses. In this video, we'll cover who needs to register, the required documents, the process, and post-registration compliance, simplifying compliance for every business. GST is a comprehensive, multi-stage, destination-based indirect tax that unified India under one nation, one tax, and one market, replacing over 17 indirect taxes. The tax structure includes 4 slabs: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Launched on July 1, 2017, GST has 3 components: Central GST, State GST, and Integrated GST for interstate transactions. Registration for GST is mandatory for businesses exceeding a certain turnover threshold. This is 40 lakh rupees for goods and 20 lakh rupees for services, with lower limits for special category states. Interstate suppliers, e-commerce operators, casual taxable persons, and non-resident taxable persons must also register. Voluntary registration is also beneficial for claiming input tax credit. There are different types of GST registration. Regular taxpayers are for most businesses above the threshold, filing monthly returns. The composition scheme is for small businesses, allowing them to pay a fixed percentage of turnover as tax. Other types include casual taxable persons and non-resident foreign entities, each with specific requirements. Required documents fall into 4 main categories. For the business entity, you need the PAN card and incorporation documents. For proprietors or directors, you need PAN, Aadhaar, photos, and identity proof. For the business address, an electricity bill or rent agreement and an NOC are needed. Finally, bank details require a canceled check and account information. The first part of the step-by-step registration involves 4 steps. First, visit the official GST portal, gst.gov.in. Second, navigate to the new registration section. Third, fill out Part A of Reg01 with your business name, PAN, mobile number, and email for OTP verification. Finally, you will receive a temporary reference number, or TRN. The second part of the process completes the registration. Step 5 requires you to use the TRN to log in and fill out Part B of Reg01, including business details and authorized signatory information. Step 6 is to upload all required documents. Step 7 involves verification using DSC or EVC, after which you receive an application reference number, or ARN. Finally, within 7 working days, your GSTIN is issued. The GSTIN is a 15-character number. The first 2 digits are the state code, such as 29 for Karnataka. The next 10 characters are your PAN number. This is followed by the entity number and a default Z as per convention. The final character is the check digit for validation. Always verify your GSTIN on the official portal before issuing invoices. Post-registration compliance involves filing regular returns, such as GSTR1 by the 11th of the next month and GSTR3B by the 20th. Composition dealers file GSTR4 annually. Annual returns, GSTR9 and GSTR9C, are due by December 31st. Key obligations include displaying your GSTIN on a signboard, issuing compliant invoices, and maintaining books for 6 years. It's important to be aware of penalties and common mistakes. Penalties range from fines for late filing to 100% of the tax evaded for fraud. Common mistakes include delaying registration, selecting wrong business codes, and incorrect PAN details. A good tip is to engage a GST practitioner for timely compliance. GST registration offers significant benefits, including input tax credit, which reduces your tax liability. It also enables pan-India business expansion without state restrictions and enhances your business credibility for B2B transactions. Registration also grants easy loan access and makes you e-commerce ready, allowing participation in the formal economy. If you are ready to register, follow the steps covered in this video. Determine your registration need, prepare your documents, complete Part A to get your TRN, fill Part B, and submit for the ARN and final GSTIN. Start your GST registration today at gst.gov.in. If you need further assistance, you can find our contact details on the screen.